Char's Fashion Nation. Yes, I am cooking. Now, gonna use these fries. Some of this is already in there, and pre-diced onion, and I will be using one of these, maybe. So I'll be cutting this up. This was in the Acme or Albertsons or Safeway's Giant, however you want to say it. 4 for $20, or might as well round it off. It's $19.99. So I have the onions and tomato in here already with some Taco Bell seasoning packet that I got from the Dollar General. Because right now I am having to seriously budget. So that seasoning packet was $1. $1 for Taco Bell seasoning. So I have that in there with like a pat of butter. So yeah, there's that. So this probably won't be a full-on show you everything, because you know why. So yeah, we'll be right back with the meat in there. So we're back over here. You're good. We're back over here. The meat is mostly cooked, and I've got this in the pan. Now that's only part of the bag of fries. And what I will be calling this is taco fries. That's right, people. Taco fries. Now, I actually ripped this meat up with my hands. You know, wash them before, wash them after. Taking a little break in between. No, madam. You don't get none. The dog, you know, she always thinks she needs everything we are eating. You don't need this. Go sit down, ma'am. Go sit down. She's looking at Steve like, smells so good in here. Because Grandma's cooking. That's why. Sit down. Anyway, be back with this and the cheese on the fries. Put that in the oven. So this is what dinner looks like before it goes in. Okay, so we're going to leave it in full bake. 25 minutes actually. I'm going to put that in between 24 to 25 minutes. Because it has extra. So when you have time in between, you've got time to, what? Clean. So I am just going to pick it all up. So here's the food after it's out of the oven. So I'm just going to shut the oven off real quick. And the oven light. Now I'm just going to dish this. So this is our dinner plates. They look good, especially that one. Anyway, so I just had my hair up in a bun. The dog is begging. She always wants our food. Smells good, doesn't it, little girl? I think that was a That's some good stuff right there. Taco fries. And you want less mess and something good, that's it right there. At least one of them. So anyway, stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive, and as always, stay blessed. When the guys are silent, they're enjoying their meal. Anyway, bye.